Just in the Kitchen with me, your host, Justine. Today, I am going to make Irish cream, homemade liqueur. Oh, it is so good. And if you don't like a lot of coffee granules to it, you can add less. It's not a recipe, it's more a guideline. So you just do what you want. But I start off with 2 cups of heavy cream. All right, 2 cups of heavy cream. I'm gonna get it out of there. I hate wasting anything. All right, there we go. Then I have condensed sweetened milk. This is not evaporated milk. Sweetened condensed is much thicker and sweeter. See? Whoop. Look at that. Just put that in there. And I am kind of a wimp when it comes to drinks, so I put in less liquor than you may, but that's fine. You can put in as much liquor as you want. But I like using an Irish whiskey. And I put in about 1 3/4 cup. That's 1 cup. Woo. I'm telling you, I am a wimp. There you go. I'm what you call a cheap date because 1 drink and I'm out. I'm asleep. So there you go. Ha. I can smell the whiskey, but it is good. Then I like to put in 3 tablespoons of chocolate. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Where's my little spatula? And I would never suggest to put this in one of those high-powered blenders or put it on high because it can curdle on you. Make cream, basically. And then I put in a couple teaspoons of, this is instant espresso, instant coffee. My Auntie Lane turned me on to this, and now I use it in recipes and everything. Chocolate cakes, I love it. And then I put in about a tablespoon. No, that was a tablespoon, that was a half. So let me put it, oh, I put in too much. But you know how I feel about vanilla, I love it. So then I put my lid on, and I'm just going to do it on low. Because remember, this is cream. You just want it till it's mixed up. Let me see. You do not want to whip it. Oh, it smells very, very, very good. Now, look what I have from IKEA. And you just, actually, I'll be right back. I'm getting a funnel. I could not find my funnel, so I'm doing it this way. It would have been much easier had I found my funnel, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles or the Irish cream pours. Look at that. Now, wouldn't that be a good gift to give somebody for St. Patrick's Day? And I'm also going to tell you, keep a watch out. Let me know if you'd like to see it. I'm going to make an Irish cream chocolate poke cake. So let me know if you want to see me do the recipe, because I'm definitely making it. And I am going to use my homemade Irish cream. All I have to do is just shake it up. Little string put on there. It's a nice gift for St. Patty's Day to somebody. put it in the refrigerator, keep it for 2 weeks. You could drink this, definitely. It's like an adult milkshake. The cream makes the whiskey smooth, which makes it dangerous for me because I could have 3 of these, and guess what? I would be asleep for days. I would be asleep for days, but it's very good, so you must try it. I taste a little bit of the chocolate in there, and the vanilla. You don't have to mix it with anything else. It is good just like this. Now, if you like more whiskey, put more whiskey. You want more chocolate, put more chocolate. Less chocolate. It's a mix, right? I'm a mixologist. So here you go. Thank you for watching. Go to www.justinthekitchen.com for all these recipes and more. Mark in the comments below if you want me to make that on video, the Irish cream poke cake, chocolate poke cake. Let me know. And, oh yeah, subscribe to my YouTube, pretty please, with sugar or Irish cream on top. Thank you very much. Again, if you mix it too much, you just make cream, skim it, and the rest will be good. All right? Thank you. God bless. Bye. I'm going to sleep after this.